Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we add pages in Microsoft Word. So this is a sample example for this Microsoft Word. Now let's suppose you want to add page over here. Okay. So what you have to do is, the shortcut to do that is you keep your cursor on the last page and then press Ctrl plus Enter. Just after pressing Ctrl plus Enter, your new page will be added. Again, if you want to add more, then press Ctrl plus Enter, Ctrl plus Enter, and so on. Similarly, if you want to delete that, you can press backspace key and the page will be deleted. This way guys, you can add multiple pages in Microsoft Word. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.